A record 53 children died inside hot cars in each of 2018 and 2019. Data from the National Traffic Safety Administration that shows about 46% of the time when a child was forgotten, the caregiver meant to drop the child off at a daycare or a preschool.
And News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstead tells us how dangerous cars are when summer weather takes over, and simple reminders from health experts can save a child's life.
One of the leading causes of death in cars involves parked cars.
Crashes are, of course, number one, but heat-related deaths is number two.
Many of these lives lost are because parents forgot their child in a car.
105 degrees, 107 degrees is, where we're looking at potential death.
And it really doesn't take much for a car to heat up to temperatures north of 100 degrees. It really only takes 70-degree temperatures outside. This is a car that's been sitting in our parking lot all day, and as you can see, the dashboard here, 129 degrees Fahrenheit. Nearly 75% of children who are forgotten and die are under 2 years old.
Older people, and especially children, are going to have heat stroke much quicker than healthy adults.
The American Academy of Pediatrics offers tips for parents with the acronym ACT. A, avoid heat stroke or injury and death by never leaving kids in the car alone. C, for create reminders. Put a stuffed animal in the back seat when it is empty and move it to the front seat when your child is in the back. T, for take action. Call 911 if you see a child alone in a car. Dr. Emily French of Mayo-Clinic-Health-System says this can happen to anyone.
We've got 20 things on our mind. We're just trying to get through the day and do the best for our families. And I think that can happen very easily, and more easily than a lot of people understand.
The second leading cause of heat stroke related deaths involving children actually involve children who get into unattended cars. And this is why it's always important to get in the habit of locking your car doors year-round. Tri-State Ambulance Manager of Clinical Services Nick Eastman says if you see a child in a car, you have a responsibility to let someone know.
Even if it doesn't appear that the child is in distress, I think it's important to notify someone.
Even though these deaths happen, people can prevent a child's life ending too soon.
That was Jordan Fremstead reporting 24 children nationwide lost their lives in hot cars last year.
And Wisconsin did pass a law called the Good Samaritan Law back in 2015, and that protects people from legal action if they do break into a vehicle to save a child or a pet.